Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a makeup tutorial on this look right here. This is just a very pink Valentine's Day look. I think it looks really pretty. I used the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. So if you guys remember in my haul, I said I wanted to do videos using the whole rows of the colors. So for today's video, I used this whole pink row. I thought that would be very appropriate for Valentine's Day. And I also used this hot pink right here, which is in the red row. I don't really see why, but I used this whole pink row and this hot pink shade. So if you guys want to see how I got this look using the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, then keep watching. First, I'm going to be going in with my NYX Above and Beyond Full Coverage Concealer as my primer. So I'm first applying that with a brush, and then I'm going to be blending it out with my finger. This concealer is really good as a base for when you use the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Sorry. So first, I'm going to be going in with that light baby pink shade, and I am going to be popping that in the crease as my first transition shade. This didn't really show up, but it worked for what I was doing. Next, I'm going in with that third pink shade and the first pink shade and putting this in the crease again. And I'm using my Morphe M441 brush, same old, same old. Now I'm going in with the first, third, and fourth pink shade in the palette and popping that in the crease and a little bit on the outer V, but I'm going to go back to the outer V later on in the tutorial. You'll see. Actually, I'm going to do the outer V again next. So I'm taking the three shades again and going in with the dome brush on the outer V, told you, and just really focusing it there. Going back in with my NYX Above and Beyond Full Coverage Concealer, I'm going to try to cut out a half cut crease. This isn't really like a half cut crease, but that's what I was trying to go for. I didn't put in a darker pink shade in the crease, which I wish I did to really focus it to give it that cut crease effect, but I still really love how the look came out. It's really hard to see on camera some of the things that I did in this look. I did insert a picture at the very end so you guys can see details. Next, I'm going in with those three pink shades again and just focusing them on the outer V to really blend them with the concealer. Next, I'm going in with that second pink shade and just patting this all over the lid. This shade was a pain in the butt. It was so hard to just get good pigment out of it. I was having the hardest time. I really had to pack it on. Now I'm going in with my Morphe M441 with nothing on it just to blend everything out a little bit. And I'm going back in with my NYX Above and Beyond Full Coverage Concealer and putting this on the lower lash line with a brush, and then I'm blending it out with a stipple brush, and I'm doing this to prepare for more eyeshadow on the lower lash line. So when I do the lower lash line, I'm using the three shades I use in the crease, and I'm using this BH Cosmetics, I think this is the V5 brush, and I'm just blending it all together on the lower lash line and bringing it up into the crease. Next, I'm going in with the Kevyn Aucoin white eyeliner, and I'm putting this in the lower lash, or the waterline, just to make my eyes look more awake. I think pink makes me look sick, so that's why. Next, I'm taking this hot pink shade, and I sprayed an angle brush with my Mario Badescu setting spray, and I'm just lining the upper lash line, doing a little wing. And then I'm going to go in with this NYX glitter. It's in the shade Beauty Beam. It's really hard to see, and I'm just going over with the liner. Again, I took a picture, and I put the picture in the video so you can really see, because it's really hard to see on camera. It was not picking up at all, and I am very bummed out about that. Very bummed out. So now I'm just gonna go finish up my face off camera, and I'm back. And for lips, I'm using my NYX Simply Pink lip cream in First Base. I'll have all the details of the lashes that I'm wearing and anything else that you guys might want to know in the description box. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. And that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more makeup tutorials, hauls, reviews, and
all that fun stuff. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box as well. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.